ICC Men's T20 World Cup Match 2 West Indies vs Scotland. Playing 11 win prediction. West Indies playing 11. Opening Brandon King, Shai Hope. Number 3 Johnson Charles. Number 4 Roston Chase. Number 5 Shafin Rutherford. Number 6 Ropan Powell. Number 7 Amario Shepherd. Number 8 Jason Holder. Number 9 Akhil Hussain. Number 10 Udayesh Murthy. Number 11 Seal.
Scotland in 11. George Mungie, Michael Jones, Richie Berrington, Brendan McCullum, Michael Leask, Matthew Cross, Chris Reeves, Mark Watt, Sharif, Wheel and Zainullah Ishan. Crickmania win prediction. West Indies. Subscribe Crickmania for more exciting T20 World Cup videos.